Hi. So I found your job post about e-commerce analytics, and within the next few minutes I'll be explaining how I'll work on this project for you. So this is a simple dashboard. This is a simple e-commerce dashboard describing different things pertaining to e-commerce analytics. For example, this is a customer acquisition rate trend. And this is a trend. So basically, for the first month we are calculating new customers, and we are also calculating the trend over time. You can see it goes down, the trend then changes over time. And this is another one. This is repeat purchase rate. You can see the trend also keeps changing month over month. That's the simple way it works. So basically that's the same thing I'm going to work on for your project. There's nothing we cannot calculate. Basically we can calculate trend for um revenue, sales, customer acquisition, even ROAS, and much more, even customer acquisition cost. So you know if your customer acquisition cost is increasing or decreasing. I'll use metrics from your multiple tables to do this. And yes, this is about this dashboard. Also, in your description, you talked about working on a conversion funnel. Basically, a funnel that describes how users or customers go from the very first process to the last process, which is the conversion. And yes, I have built that here. This is for two different landing pages. So for your project, what I can do is I can build something for multiple campaigns. So I can do this for first campaign, second campaign, third campaign. So you know how well each campaign worked. And I can also do it for your multiple ad platforms. Basically, we can attribute each sale, each click, each conversion, each purchase to a specific ad platform, whether it's Google or Meta ads. So you know how much you should spend more on particular ad platform. If Google ads is performing better in terms of conversions, then you might want to spend more on Google ads. So yes, you can calculate other metrics like this revenue generated and much more. And pertaining to your products also, I will create a table chart like this, which shows your product performance in terms of revenue, ad spend, ROAS, interaction rate, total orders, net profits, much more. There is nothing I am incapable of working on when it comes to e-commerce analytics. Yes, so yes, I believe I have explained everything. Also, finally, pertaining to the data integration process, this is Windsor.ai. This is a very popular platform for data integration. So basically, all you need to do is connect your data, and this platform can automate the process of bringing in all your data. You can see that this is Google Ads data now. From here, we can pull this data into your database. We can pull it into Google Sheets. We can pull it into Excel. We can pull it into BigQuery, and from there we can start calculating these metrics, and we can get to understand how well your e-commerce platform is performing based on everything we are doing. So basically, in this project, we are going to be integrating, according to you, we are going to be integrating Google Ads, Meta Ads, and Shopify Ads. So for example, if I want to calculate your ROAS for if I want to calculate your ROAS generally, I would first count how many customers were converted based on your ads. So if 50 customers were converted via Google ads and 30 customers were converted via Facebook ads, we'll add that up. Then we'll attribute revenue to those purchases. Then we now calculate the amount you have spent on both Google ads and Facebook ads, and from there we can calculate your ROAS by dividing the revenue by the total ad spend. I hope this helps.